Hello, class. This is my electronics project for Mr. Crop's class, the MJC, Altec 208. Standard for my project, I have chosen to connect two potentiometers that will be used to control the brightness of two LEDs that are connected in series. The purpose of this project is to demonstrate how potentiometers or speed pots are used in circuits. Potentiometers can also be used to control the speed of small motors and other variable components. This next slide is a couple of pictures that I chose to take for my project. The first photo is both speedometers, both speed pots turned all the way up, illuminating the LEDs. The second photo is me lowering the brightness of the first LED with by turning the potentiometer all the way to the left. The third photo is me turning the potentiometer of the second LED all the way to the left with both lights turned off. When both lights are turned back on, in order to turn both lights back on, both speed pots must be turned all the way to the right. This slide is a schematic of the circuit that I put together, and it clearly shows a 5-volt power source connected to a potentiometer 1 with an LED 1 connected in series, connected to speed pot 2, connected to LED 2, also connected in series with the return voltage returning back to the negative source. Alright, a couple of narratives about this project. The reason I chose this project is because I really wanted to demonstrate how potentiometers can control variable speeds of different instruments or components used in circuits that require speed control or LEDs to control brightness control. From this project, I learned how to connect a potentiometer into a series circuit to control the brightness of an LED or the speed of a motor, in this case 2 LEDs. At first, I was trying to connect the LEDs to a push button, but that didn't work, so instead I tried to connect a speed pot with an LED and was able to get the LEDs to shine after a couple of tries. The most frustrating part for me was getting to actually make the LEDs light up once they're connected to the speed pots. Many of the parts it was just plug in, plug here, figuring out which wire needed to go where, which wire did what, connecting the positive to positive and negative and common to ground, and stuff like that. So this is my demonstration on connecting speed potentiometers in a series circuit controlling 2 LED lights. Hope you guys like my presentation. Check it out on YouTube. Let me know how it goes. Thank you. Have a great day.